Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock VSSL. So the stock is very good at financials and technically the stock is very strong. Look at the volume is increasing exponentially, so it's a good stock to go long, and currently the stock is in a superb uptrend. So this is really a good time to go long in the stock, and one can use a pullback strategy to catch the huge returns. So let us analyze the stock on technical basis. This is the monthly chart. The stock on listing had a very choppy market. The stock was on the same range since listing till the 2015, and on 2015 the stock took a huge uptrend and reached the price range of 184. Somehow 184 acted as a major resistance for the stock, and the stock fell to the price range of 40. So the stock is now creating new all-time highs, and the stock also broke the previous all-time high, which is around 180 range. So the stock is very good for going long, and one can go long in the stock only after a pullback. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart. Let me draw the major zone area for the stock so that it will be easy to analyze. So this can be taken as the major zone, and the stock broke the all-time high and took a retracement here. So it's a kind of pullback only. So let me use the EMA for trading the stock. The prices after hitting the EMA, it start reacting. So it's good to go long after the stock hitting the EMA of 21-day moving average. So it's a strategy should be used in the stock. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze the chart further, to analyze the price target and entry for the stock. And before moving to the daily chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the notifications of the videos published immediately. And feel free to comment below and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. So let's move to the daily chart. So this is the daily chart. The stock, after taking the previous all-time high, took a consolidation here. After a consolidation, the stock gave a breakout from the consolidation zone and took a retracement here. It was a kind of manipulation that happened in the stock. The stock came till the price range of 198. Most of the weak bulls would have sold the stock at this price, and the stock started rallying once again, and the stock is above the previous all-time high. So the stock is currently very good for going long, and one can take entry at current market price. And let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to analyze the price target in this stock, and let me take this as a swing low, and this as the swing high, and this as the retracement. So the entry is around 230 price range. So the stock is already above the 230 price range, so one can take entry at the current market price, and one can place the target 270 price range. So the 270 price range is almost a 15% upside from the price of entry. So the price of entry is around 234 to 235 price range, and one can expect a target of 270 within a matter of few trading days. The stock is very bullish and creating new all-time highs, so it's good to go long in the stock, and the stock is also good for long term. So one can ride the stock 200-day moving average. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, and finally thank you for watching our videos.